get a reservation because we wanted to have the coolest car on the planet, and this is it.
Yeah, it looked really amazing in the pictures.
Really stable in the S's. Great acceleration and all the things that I
sink back into the seat. Yeah, it was amazing.
all the things that I experienced when I took the Roadster out for a run.
I've been interested in Tesla because I love what the company is doing, the way they're doing it, what they stand for. I love your CEO and management staff, and so I decided you got to put your money where your mouth is and support it.
I wanted to go for the electric option. I'm tired of paying for gasoline. I wanted something that looked good and handled well.
Green, fast, sleek, it's got it.
The electronics, the whole EV mode, completely away from gas, I'm all for it. All for it. I just want something that's a real car. That's an EV. That's a real car.
In slalom, there's no pitch at all. It's like a slot car. And we went through the slalom pretty high speeds. Pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. And then the acceleration on the straightaway, unbelievable.
That'd be like roller coasters.
It's like a roller coaster. That smooth acceleration, there's no jerks or bumps when you're hitting 70 miles an hour. It's nothing else like it.
I think that's the future. It's low maintenance. It's no gas, right? It's just a lot of win-wins.
Absolutely love the car. Been a fan of Tesla ever since I heard about the company, and been watching and waiting for the car to come out. Really excited to be here tonight.
It's a beautiful car and it's really fast and sexy.